Alright guys, welcome back, and now I'm going to talk about the vtol here, the X450. So the last time we talked about doing different things, and I wanted to get this thing to fly like a plane. So just start off like this and then just get up and start flying. But that completely failed due to a few issues, and what it kept doing was this motor is really powerful, and somehow what would happen was it would start turning really fast, and instead of pushing the airplane forward, it only do this for like a couple of seconds, and then it would just lift off the ground like this and then nosedive directly like that. So it would do this and then smack, and within a few seconds it was on its like this. It basically would require a turtle, basically to turn itself back around, and that happened whether I had this running motor and this one going at the same time, or I even tried to disable this one and only have this one running on its own. So obviously this kind of configuration is not going to work out. So I have two plans for this thing now. One of them is to either try to set it up back to a similar situation as it was in the beginning, which is how this one is. But instead of having the motors here, I'd have the motors somewhere here, and see if that actually works. Of course, I would have to position the motors a little bit, like let's say at this kind of angle here, because I want it to be more like this kind of configuration. So I'd have to figure out a way to set up the motors so they're like this, and they're going to have to be level at the same kind of level like that, so that I can try to fly in plane mode anyway and just lift off this way. But obviously now running with two motors, I think it will be better balanced. And again, in that case, these need to be rotating opposite each other, so one should be like a B and the other one should be like an A. And then in this particular configuration, the one on the back will be a B as well. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. And again, if that doesn't work, then I can still recycle the parts to make a hovercraft or a boat again. That's the good thing about like RC, like at this kind of level, sort of the hobby grade or mid hobby grade level, is that when you do break parts, when you do break the actual plane, you can still reuse the parts that you have and try to make something else out of it. So yeah, that's where we are right now with this thing here, the Fighter X450, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you updated in the next update. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.